How to see and cancel sent friend requests on Facebook on iPhone and Android. First, open your Facebook app and then open these three lines or the menu in your Facebook upper part portion. Then click Friends. Here in the suggestions, you will be able to see people you may know and suggest people that you may want to add as your friend. Going back here in your friends, you can see the list of your friends and even search their names. But to cancel the friend request that you sent, you simply need to click See All in this friend requests page. And then click the three dots on the upper right corner of the screen and click View Sent Requests. Now you will see the list of people that you sent your friend request to, which they didn't accept yet. As for me, there are 85 sent requests here, and you can simply click cancel on each and every one of them to cancel it completely. As you can see here, I'm doing it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.